So welcome back. We got another day, more stuff to do. Let's just get what we can done and see where we go from there. Alright, so one of the bigger complaints about this intake is this bottom plate. Now what usually people complain about is that it starts leaking, and that's mainly because it's kind of got an ugly gasket. So there are different versions of this intake. One has a green one, there's a gray gasket, so essentially what we're going to do with this thing is dress it up a little bit so it should seal without a problem. And that's just going to be with a little spray-on sealant. This right here is the stuff. It's a copper-based sealant. So as you can see, it goes on copper. This is some really sticky stuff. So we'll just spray around both sides here. Then we'll just let her tack up a little bit. And after that, it's ready to throw down on the assembly. Pretty simple for some guaranteed sealing. Alright, a little bit of that on there, cover back on. A little dab of anti-seize. Go too much further, we're going to snap the bolts off. But that's easy enough there. Now of course we wanted the anti-seize because aluminum piece and the steel bolts, dissimilar metals, don't agree very well, but that's that there. So that's ready to get thrown on the engine now. Alright, so over here I got my coil packs. Got them all cleaned up, so it looks pretty good on there. Covers up half of this, but who cares? So we'll get that thrown on there. We'll have to rig up some sort of PCV setup. And then this guy just came in. Pretty nice piece. It's a 3-inch. It's got the 1.25 cores. And best of all, it fits between the rails. So, that's going to be that. Like right now I just set it on the roll bar, the sway bar, just to kind of set it in there. We'll have to rig up some way of actually mounting this guy. And of course, the intercooler. We'll get that all cleaned up in there. Then I'll have to come in here and clean up all these jagged edges. And then we'll be pretty much set. Not too bad. Kind of wish I could pressure wash half of this stuff out, but it's not gonna happen, so whatever. We'll just fill it full of dirt anyways. Alright, so that's definitely gonna have to do it for today. Kind of running low on time. Got to do a whole bunch of cleaning up in the outside yard. So we'll get this squared away. I still got some of these. There's a couple bolt holes I need to clean out with the thread chaser. But that's nothing we need to worry about on camera. So I guess it'll be a quick, short 5-minute one or something like that. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. And soon we'll get this shoved in that car. Anyways, thanks again. See you later.